Good morning, family and friends. We are climbing the road to success. Sometimes life does sting, but that's because we are holding on to secrets and things that we don't want to get out. We are dimming our own light. We are getting strong within, though, and Spirit says, "Do not back down from opposition. Show strength and fortitude. Victory is going to be yours. Make your dreams real. Follow your passions and overcome obstacles. You are protected from negative forces beyond your control, and Spirit has your back. Believe it. Watch and wait, and your angels say your wishes are coming true. Nothing is wasted. Everything you do is turned into something positive. Success assured with good plans and hard work. Stay rational and focused. They also want you to know that there was danger, especially around money. There were sharks around us, and we had to be careful, otherwise, there would have been losses. They said we went back to basics and we simplified our lives. This was made possible because we had to start believing in ourselves. And our loved ones say we became the true us. Show the world who you really are and what you were born to do. You're finding a lot of peace of mind and contentment with this new thing that you're doing for yourself. You took one step at a time. You had to claim your independence. And there's a lot of good things coming your way, prospects, conversations, people, all kinds of things that you never thought possible in the past. You are highly thought of, and you must know your own worth. Get excited for the future. You were resilient and you persevered, and it's time for you to see the brightness that you deserve. Have a lovely day, everybody. Bye for now.